A warm fire on a cold winter's day is bliss, but I need more firewood for my cute little cats. Stick around to the end to meet all my lovely cats. So today I need to cut up these pellets into firewood. Normally this takes me about an hour, but for you it's just 3 minutes. "36 centimeters is just right for my stove. Any bigger and it just won't fit in." Some pieces end up longer, but that's okay. I'll take them home and cut them up on the chop saw. All done, and now it's time to clean up and go home. Back at home, the stove is roaring while Malon and Harry are soaking up the heat. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any comments, please leave them down in the comment section. And have yourself a great day. See you next time. Meet the crew: Harry, Malon, Luca, Lucy, Shido, and Ushi. Which cat do you like? Subscribe for more videos and check out these cool videos.